Hello, question 67. Switch SW closed at time t equal to 0. Calculate current ILT, IL1 and IL2 after time t equal to 0.8 second. Both inductors are identical. Solution: R equivalent resistance equal to 1 ohm and L equivalent inductance equal to 1 multiplied by 4 divided by 1 plus 4 equal to 4 upon 5 Henry. Time constant of the RL circuit T equal to L equivalent divided by R equivalent equal to 4 upon 5 divided by 1 equal to 0.8 second. And steady state current I0 equal to Vs upon R equivalent equal to 10 upon 1 equal to 10 ampere. At the time t equal to 0.8 second 1t, ILT equal to I0 multiplied by 0.632 equal to 10 multiplied by 0.632 equal to 6.32 ampere. And current IL1 through inductor 1 Henry equal to total current ILT multiplied by 4 divided by 4 plus 1. So this is equal to 6.32 multiplied by 0.8 equal to 5.056 ampere. We use here current divider network. And current ILT equal to total current ILT multiplied by 1 upon 4 plus 1 equal to 6.32 equal multiplied by 0.2 equal to 1.264 ampere. Okay, thank you.